Hey family, I have done you guys' videos. I've done like five, and I was maxing the 15 minutes out. So when I went over, I just did a part two. I did a part two on a vaginal rejuvenation and a G shot. I did one on colonic. I did a medical review for my doctor's appointment. I did the news. I done all those, and some of those are part ones and twos, but it's taking forever for them to download. So just be patient with me. I'm getting you guys emails like, "What's up on the videos? I thought you said you was." I did them, and they're downloading. So just be patient with me, y'all. I'm trying to get them out there, but I don't know. I think it's my service. I don't know, and I've been downloading them since like 2 o'clock, and it's been taking forever. So anyway, deuces. I love you. I'm sitting here watching my girl Selena 77, and your videos are coming. They just ain't hit yet. All right, family. Love you.